Hi everyone, my name is Puri. I'm a professional photographer. I do lots of fashion and personal brand in Bali. At this moment, I will share my photo adventure with American model Lily in the Leke Leke Waterfall. Let's see the video. How many clothes do you have?
I have about maybe 3 outfits in my bag, but I don't know, millions around me. So
Million. What does it mean? By the million.
this is gonna be a biodegradable bikini that we're gonna use here. This beautiful fuchsia color made by the gods. Can't buy it in stores. It's eco-friendly. It's biodegradable. Um, yeah, that's all I'm gonna say.
Let's see how she become a bikini creator.
Fashion designer.
Fashion designer. We find a nice place to shoot here with the phone. So she stop and start that
Freshened up.
wow, women stuff. Because she was born in Amazon, so this kind of place makes her
okay.
comfortable.
This is I don't do this every day, so it's fine. It's just for the occasion. I hope you men out there appreciate this shit. All this stuff we do for a. No, I don't care. I don't care if men appreciate it.
Oh, that's nice feeling when you look down. That was our photo adventure in Leke Leke Waterfall, and we're going to continue in the part 2. If you like this video, please press the like button, and if you like it a lot, please subscribe so we can see in another video.